Welcome to our channel Human Codes. In previous episode, we have discussed about robust, and in today's episode, we are going to discuss about high-level programming. Why Python is a high-level programming language. In this, if we see, we have two types of languages. They are low-level programming language and high-level programming language. So what is low-level programming language? So in low-level programming language, the data is always stored in the form of low-level values. Whatever the data that is stored in the low-level values, such as binary data, octal data, and hexadecimal data. These number systems are directly not understandable by the end users. So end users can't understand this type of data. So this is major disadvantage in low level programming language. So examples are, so for this variable, we have declared binary data. This type of data only can understand by a programmer, not by an end user. So like that 0b, it is a notation for defining binary data. 0x, it is a notation for defining hexadecimal data. 0o is used to define octal data. So this is all about low level programming language. So if we come to high level programming language, in these languages, internally, even programmer specifies the data in low-level format, such as binary data, octal data, hexadecimal data. Automatically, high-level programming language or Python programming language execution environment converts that low-level into high-level, such that a decimal number system, which is understandable by the end user, specifies the data in low level format. Means if programmer directly specifies like this data, the Python execution environment or high level programming language automatically converts this type of data into a decimal number system form in order to understand by the end user. So this is a major advantage in high level programming language. So hence Python is one of the high level programming language. So we will see this in practical. Now I am opening the Python command prompt. If I declared like this type of data, I'm trying to print this type of data. Print of a comma type of a. Type shows which data type this value consists. Automatically converts the low level data into high level data, means decimal number system data. This can be understandable by the end user. So this binary is automatically converted into a decimal, and decimal comes under int type. Int is a class. So this is the reason Python is known as a high level programming language or high level. The next features are extensible and embedded. So we will go with extensible. Extensible means Python programming provides its module services to the other languages. Programmers for easy to use by writing less code with more meaning. Since Python programming provides its services to the other languages, hence Python is one of the extensible programming language. This para says that the Python programming language which provides the module services to other programming languages also. In order to write less code with more meaning, the Python provides its module service to other languages. So that is known as extensible. That is meant by embedded. Python programming language will use other language services or libraries also. In other words, we can call other language code inside Python programming, and hence Python is one of the embedded programming language. So Python not only gives services to the other language, Python also adopt the services from the other language. This is the reason Python is embedded programming language. Up to this, we completed features of Python. This one feature has left over, functional and object oriented. So in upcoming classes, we will discuss about this functional and object oriented. That's it for today's video. Today's video is a simple video. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.